Make him happy.
He'll post it on the internet.
Oh yeah.
On Facebook. He's a good kid.
I know he is. I seen him here a couple years past. Make his day. That's all that matters.
Usually tell him in the crowd though. Bob bounces.
Yeah. That's how I remember him from last year. He doesn't work, does he?
Yeah, he works at McDonald's.
Good.
He works every single day when he was supposed to be up there.
Good for him.
He lives over on the south side of Skowhegan, and he walks or rides his bike up to
Good. We give him a little boost in there. Come on, bud. Get in there.
Yeah, his name's Adam.
Adam?
Yeah, that's how I befriended him on Facebook.
Yeah.
And that's how I found out who had the bid on the sewer project on the south side. Through him.
Yeah.
He knows what Pike has for contracts. He knows who's doing what in town. This young kid. He's a smart kid.
Good. We just got approved for the 590 for our town.
Yeah. What town's that?
Wilton.
Oh. Yeah, we tried out a bunch of different ones before we crossed the John Deere. And I had a 4-foot manhole that I wanted to pick up and set. And the John Deere was the only one that picked it up.
We couldn't, the John Deere would pick it up, but the 590, because we had demos come in, and the 590 would pick it right up, and the big 4-foot round tip piece, yeah, they're heavy.
Yeah.
We had a cat, didn't like cat at all.
JCB we tried them all, but the models that we got wouldn't do it.
Right, and if you don't have an excavator right handy, you know, just in case you want to pick it up.
Yeah. I had a 6-foot catch basin that I had to set over on Vasily Drive. 6 foot wide, 6 foot high. Catch basin with a wide base.
Yep.
We couldn't pick it up. The excavator that was there couldn't pick it up. We had to have the crane that delivered the stupid thing set it. Does it have the one that you're going to get? You're going to have the extender hoe?
Yeah. Extender hoe, 5-in-1 bucket, and a wrist.
Yeah, we got the thumb on ours.
Yeah. Well, we're going to get that too, but because we don't have an excavator, that's what we use for everything.
Yeah, we use ours to set culverts.
Yeah.
dig them up, and so on, like even do repairs on the sewer lines if we have to.
Right.
Any major major projects, then we rent a contract out of somebody with an excavator. We have one guy that we usually use most of the time.
You think he's all set if I shut this off now?
He'll probably be on the internet.